Good evening, everyone. So today I am here with a different context. So why I wanted to share with all of you my failure story, right? My failure story of 2019. So what I used to do is I used to plan so many things and never used to complete it, right? So I bought hundreds of books. So I have around more than 300 books, self-help books in my library, in my personal library, and I have not read even 5 books out of that 300 books which I have. I used to join so many courses, right? Join so many different programs, but never used to complete it. Last year, when we all suffered from corona virus and everything was in lockdown state, and I realized one thing, that what is one aspect which is not allowing us to complete what we want, and I wanted to share that with all of you. So first thing which I would like to share with all of you, that in 2020 I have been able to complete around 100 self-help books, and that's the reason I am having that confidence to share with all of you that whatever I have planned I have completed. So one aspect which I have realized, and that is what I'm going to share in my detailed workshop which I have planned from 22nd to 24th of January. So there are two things which is the major aspect responsible whether we will complete what we have started or not. So one is that the interest which we have and the commitment which we have. So there are two things, and it's a huge difference between these two. One is interest, another one is commitment, right? So initially I realized, and when I thought, I pondered over, I realized that previously I have joined so many courses, I have bought so many books because I was interested to read that, I was interested to do that. But then I realized that important is not interest. Important is that whether I am committed to it or not. Because when I commit myself, then it all talks about my values, right? So say suppose I am not married and I like someone, some girl, right? So I am interested and I have an option whether to be with her or not. But when I marry that girl, then I commit to her, right? And this commitment is important because it is more about our value system, right? Which we don't give up. So then I realized that if you are committed, then what may happen? You will complete what you have started. So we have to ask this question to ourselves, whether I am committed to what I have started or not. And one point which I would like to share with all of you, that there are 4 steps which is very important to ensure that I am completing what I have started. One, that I decide what I want. Second, that I start taking action. Third, that I notice what is working and what is not. So I need to have that evaluation process, that what is working and what is not working. And finally, I need to change my approach until I achieve what I want. So here the catch point is that I am changing my approach, but I am not changing my goal, right? So once the goal has been decided, it's decided. So guys, my only humble request, when you are planning your year and the goals, you need to ensure that whatever you have planned, you need to commit to it. Because commitment is more about values, right? And I would sincerely request to please share, like, subscribe and comment to my videos, because this year my main objective is to give back to society. Whatever I have learned in the last 2020, I wanted to give back to my society, right? Thank you so much. Happy listening.